Are you tired of starting new habits only to lose momentum after a few days? What if I told you there's a simple yet powerful technique that can help you build lasting routines with ease? It's called habit stacking, and it can completely change the way you achieve your goals. The power of linking. What is habit stacking? Want to build better habits? Habit stacking is your secret weapon. It's simple. Link a new habit to an existing one. You already brush your teeth every day, right? That's your cue to start flossing. This method works because it leverages your brain's natural wiring. Your brain loves patterns. By attaching a new action to an established routine, you create a powerful trigger. This makes it easier to remember and stick to your new habit. Habit stacking takes the guesswork out of building good habits. It eliminates the when and where decisions that can sabotage your best intentions. No more relying on willpower alone. Let's break down how habit stacking works with a practical example. This method is a powerful way to build new habits by leveraging the ones you already have. Imagine you want to start flossing regularly. Instead of relying on willpower, you decide to stack it onto your existing habit of brushing your teeth. This way, you create a seamless transition from one activity to the next. After you finish brushing, you immediately grab the floss and get to work. This small addition to your routine can make a big difference over time. The act of brushing becomes your trigger, prompting you to automatically reach for the floss. This trigger action sequence helps reinforce the new habit. Over time, this connection becomes second nature. You won't even have to think about it. It will just happen naturally. You can apply this principle to countless other habits. The possibilities are endless when you start connecting the dots between your daily activities. Want to drink more water? Keep a glass on your desk and take a sip every time you check your email. This simple action can help you stay hydrated throughout the day. Aiming to practice gratitude. Write down 3 things you're thankful for while you drink your morning coffee. This small ritual can set a positive tone for the rest of your day.
Some habits are more powerful than others. We call these keystone habits. They create a ripple effect, positively impacting other areas of your life. Think of them as the foundation of a strong and healthy routine. One example of a keystone habit is exercise. When you prioritize regular physical activity, you're more likely to experience a cascade of benefits. You'll have more energy, sleep better, and feel more motivated throughout the day. Keystone habits are the building blocks of lasting change. By focusing on these foundational habits, you unlock a world of positive transformation. Identify the keystone habits in your own life and prioritize them.
The domino effect for a healthier life. Let's dive deeper into the power of exercise as a keystone habit. Exercise is not just about physical fitness, it's a catalyst for a healthier, more balanced life. When you make time for physical activity, you're not just improving your physical health, you're also setting off a chain reaction of positive changes in your life. You're also boosting your mental well-being, productivity, and overall quality of life. Exercise helps clear your mind, making you more focused and efficient in your daily tasks. Regular exercise leads to better sleep. When you engage in physical activities, your body naturally tires out, making it easier to fall asleep. When you're physically tired, your body craves rest. This natural fatigue helps you fall asleep faster and enjoy a deeper, more restorative sleep. This results in falling asleep faster and experiencing deeper, more restful sleep. Quality sleep is essential for overall health and well-being. And when you wake up feeling refreshed, you're ready to tackle the day with energy and focus. A good night's sleep sets the tone for a productive day. Furthermore, exercise has been proven to reduce stress and anxiety. Physical activity helps release built-up tension and promotes relaxation. When you engage in physical activity, your brain releases endorphins, which have mood-boosting effects. These natural chemicals help you feel happier and more content. This can lead to a more positive outlook and a greater sense of calm. Embrace the domino effect of exercise and watch how it transforms your life.
Building your habit chain, a step-by-step guide. Ready to create your own habit chains? Here's a simple guide to get you started. First, identify an existing habit. What do you already do consistently every day? This will be your trigger. Next, choose a new habit. What's one small habit you want to add to your routine? Then, stack them together. Immediately after your existing habit, perform the new habit. Be specific. Instead of saying, "I'll meditate more," say, "I'll meditate for 5 minutes after I brush my teeth." Start small. Focus on building one habit chain at a time. Remember, consistency is key. The more you repeat the habit stack, the stronger the connection becomes.
Start small, dream big. The power of tiny habits. Don't underestimate the power of starting small. When it comes to habit stacking, tiny changes lead to remarkable results over time. Focus on building one small habit at a time. Instead of trying to overhaul your entire routine overnight, start with a habit so easy you can't say no. For example, instead of aiming for a 30-minute workout, commit to doing 5 minutes of exercise every morning. Once you've mastered one small habit, you can gradually increase the intensity or duration, or you can add another habit to your chain. The key is to make progress consistently, no matter how small.
The long game. Habit stacking for lasting change. Habit stacking is not a quick fix. It's a long-term strategy for building a better life. By consistently stacking small habits on top of each other, you create a powerful system for personal growth. Imagine the impact of making just one small change each month. Over a year, that's 12 new habits that can transform your life. From improving your health and well-being to boosting your productivity and relationships, the possibilities are endless. Embrace the power of habit stacking and unlock your full potential. Start small, stay consistent, and enjoy the journey of becoming the best version of yourself.
Building habits isn't always smooth sailing. There will be obstacles like procrastination, lack of motivation, or interruptions in your routine. To overcome these, make your habits stack as simple and rewarding as possible. You can also use habit tracking apps to monitor your progress and celebrate small wins. And if you fall off, just start again. The key is consistency, not perfection. Remember, every small step counts. Embrace the journey, acknowledge the challenges, and keep pushing forward. Your dedication to habit stacking will pay off in the long run, leading to a more fulfilling and productive life. Habit stacking is a long-term strategy that can fundamentally change the way you approach your daily routines and goals. It's about making small, incremental changes that snowball into bigger transformations over time, much like planting a seed and watching it grow into a flourishing plant. The more you stack, the more natural your habits become, and soon enough, you'll find yourself effortlessly achieving goals you once thought were out of reach. It's like climbing a mountain, where each step brings you closer to the summit. Imagine your daily life as a series of small, interconnected steps, each one building on the last to create a cohesive and productive routine. With each new habit you stack, you're not just adding tasks to your routine, you're creating a seamless flow of positive actions that build on each other, enhancing your overall lifestyle. This cumulative effect can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being, productivity, and personal growth. It's like a ripple effect, where one positive action leads to another. To build a long-term habit stacking strategy, start by identifying your core habits, those foundational routines that set the tone for your day. These could be as simple as drinking a glass of water in the morning or reading a few pages of a book. Once these core habits are solidly in place, begin to layer additional habits that align with your goals and values. For instance, if fitness is a priority, you might add a short workout after your morning routine. Remember, the key is consistency and patience. Each new habit might feel challenging at first, but over time it will become second nature, much like learning to ride a bike. Each new habit might feel challenging at first, but over time, it will become second nature. The initial struggle is a natural part of the process, and with persistence, you'll find it easier to integrate new habits into your routine. Visualize your future self, thriving on a well-established routine of positive habits. This mental image can serve as a powerful motivator, keeping you focused and committed to your habit stacking journey. Envision how each small action contributes to a larger picture of success and fulfillment. This visualization can help you stay motivated and see the bigger picture of your efforts. This mental image can serve as a powerful motivator, keeping you focused and committed to your habit stacking journey. It's like having a roadmap that guides you towards your ultimate destination. As you continue to build and refine your habit stacks, stay flexible and open to adjustments. Life is dynamic, and your habits should evolve with it. Be prepared to tweak your strategy as needed to stay aligned with your goals. Life is dynamic, and your habits should evolve with it. Just as the seasons change, your habits may need to adapt to new circumstances and challenges. Regularly assess your progress, celebrate your achievements, and don't be afraid to tweak your strategy as needed. Small victories are important milestones that keep you motivated and on track. Ultimately, building a long-term habit stacking strategy is about creating a sustainable lifestyle that supports your aspirations. It's about finding a balance that allows you to thrive in all areas of your life. It's a journey of continuous improvement, where every small step brings you closer to the life you envision. Each habit you stack is like a step on a staircase, leading you towards your ultimate goals. Embrace the process, stay dedicated, and watch as your habit stacks transform your life in meaningful and lasting ways. The journey may be long, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Your dedication to habit stacking will pay off in the long run, leading to a more fulfilling and productive life. Stay committed, and you'll see the positive changes unfold over time. Ready to transform your life one habit at a time? Start by stacking just one habit tomorrow and see the difference it makes. Don't forget to subscribe to Upliftube for more tips on productivity and personal growth, and share your habit stacking ideas in the comments below. Remember, small changes lead to big results,